Hey everyone, welcome to Inside Platform Engineering, a new series where we're going to dive deep into the world of platform engineering. My name is Matt Allford, I'm a developer advocate at Octopus Deploy, and I've spent nearly 20 years, yep, that's kind of scary, working with engineering teams, helping them navigate the complexities of deployment, infrastructure, and developer experience. One thing I've noticed, and I'm sure you have too, is that platform engineering is really come into its own discipline. But when I talk to folks, I find there's still a lot of mystery around what platform engineers actually do, how they make decisions, and what separates a good platform from a great platform. So that's what this series is all about. We're going under the hood of platform engineering, not just the surface level, what tools do you use conversations, though we'll definitely talk about stuff like that, but the deeper stuff is what I'm interested in. The trade-offs, the hard-won lessons, the mistakes that taught them something valuable, what's worked well, what hasn't worked well, what are the architectural decisions that keep them up at night. I want to understand how platform engineers think. How do they balance developer experience with operational complexity? When do they build versus buy? How do they measure success? How do they know that they're building what the organization actually needs? What does good even look like when you're building a platform? These are a bunch of questions that I have that I hope to get answered throughout the series. Now, for each episode, I'll sit down with a platform engineer or platform engineering leader from somewhere around the world. These are practitioners, people who are in the trenches building and operating platforms right now. We'll talk for 30 to 45 minutes, long enough to get past the surface level, but focused enough to try and make it an easy listen for you. My goal is pretty simple. I want you to walk away from each conversation with something practical. It might be a new way of thinking about a problem that you're facing, or a pattern that you can now apply to your own platform. Maybe it's just the reassurance that someone else has struggled with the exact same thing that you're dealing with right now. We'll cover a wide range of topics across the series: internal developer platforms, golden paths, metrics and measurements, adoption strategies, cultural challenges, team structures, the evolution of platforms over time, probably a dozen other things I haven't even thought of yet as well. Now, some episodes might get technical, others might be more philosophical, but they'll all be grounded in real experience. We're planning to release episodes monthly right here on YouTube. Now, that cadence might change as we start to get feedback, and they'll be in a dedicated playlist on the Octopus Deploy channel so that you can easily find them. Now, down the line, we're looking to bring this to an audio-only platform as well, so keep your eye out for that. Whether you're a platform engineer yourself, a technologist thinking about platform work, an engineering leader trying to understand if your team needs a platform, or just someone curious about how great developer experiences get built, then I think you'll find something valuable here. I'm really excited about the conversations we're going to have, and I hope you are too. Platform engineering is one of those fields where the knowledge is still being formed, the patterns are still emerging, and there's so much that we can learn from each other. Thanks for sticking with me here, and I hope to see you at one of the Inside Platform Engineering episodes soon.